Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. We have done 2 topics in grammar, modals and yes, modals and
Prepositions.
Prepositions.
have we done analytical paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when it comes to writing section, officially in your syllabus, you have 2 things only. One is an analytical paragraph and one is formal letters. What are the 2 things? Tell me quickly.
Formal letters and analytical paragraph.
Yes. Good morning, children. We have already done quite a bit practice of analytical paragraphs. Good morning, all of you. Now I'm taking up the second topic for the writing section, that is formal letters. Which is the second thing I'm taking up today, children? Good morning,
Formal
all of
letters.
you. Formal letters. A very quick revision of the 2 topics which are already done in grammar. What are the 2 topics we have done? Again and again, I'm reminding you the reason is the same, that when I want your written work, I want it complete. Modals and prepositions. And in writing section, we have done analytical paragraph. Today, we are taking up the second part of the writing section, which is known as which letters?
Ma'am,
What
formal
letters?
letter.
Formal letters.
See, this is just an introduction. Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, in our offline classes, we have already done formal letters.
Good, you people have done very good. But let's have a quick revision. We know that writing a letter is a craft. It must be written after careful thought. This is the most important thing. Most of you read the question, start writing. You don't think before writing. So when you start writing, you get messed up. What to write first, what to write later. So always think before writing. The letters are often written to draw the attention of the general public and the concerned authorities. Sometimes when you write a letter to the newspaper, you basically want to attract the attention of 2 groups. One is the general public and the second is whom? Authorities, concerned authorities towards the issue which needs immediate action. Supposing the street lights in your colony are not working or the roads are not in a good condition or people are not following COVID guidelines and you want the people to be aware of these things, you want to warn them, you want to take their attention, so you can write a letter in the newspaper. Following points are needed to be taken care of while writing a formal letter. Ensure that the language used in the letter is appropriate. Do not use abbreviations, short letters, short words, because this is a formal letter. Always remember, no SMS language has to be used because the letter is a formal letter. The tone of the letter is polite, formal, impersonal. Very, very polite, formal. We don't know to the people whom we are writing, they're not our relatives or friends. So be very impersonal. Hope you are fine. I am fine. How are your parents? All these things are personal. No need to do all this. And write to the point. Okay. Whatever is the main thing, only write about that. Don't beat around the bush. The overall structure should be clear and concise as possible. Very clear and short. Be polite even if you're complaining. This is very important. Obviously, if it's a letter of complaint, you are angry, frustrated. But then also you need to be what? You need to be polite. Now, this is the format layout of a formal letter. I'm showing it to you and you will all write it in your notebooks. I'll give you time for this. First, Abhi don't write, Abhi just see. Layout of writing a formal letter. What is the first thing on the left side?
Sender.
Second on the left side?
The date.
Mandatory salutation. Mandatory means compulsory. Salutation is compulsory. sir, madam, whatever you want to write, and then subject. About subject, remember it should be clear and crisp, means it should be a very short subject. Don't write the entire paragraph. My colony roads are not good. My colony street lights not working. No, we will not make sentences in the subject. It should be very short, crisp. Over here, I would suggest you don't write this here. You follow this pattern only. So when you're writing in your notebook, how you will write? First you write sender's address, then you write date, and then you will write this over here. Number 3. Put numbers. Number 1 is
Sender's address.
Address.
Senders.
you people don't write anything this side, you'll get confused. Number 2 is
The date.
Date.
date. Number 3 is this receiver's designation and address. This will come here. Number 3. So what is number 3?
Receiver's address.
Receiver's address.
Reverse.
Designation and address. Supposing I'm writing to the editor, so the designation is the editor and address the Times of India. So whatever it is here, if I'm writing to general manager of Godrej company, I'll write the general manager, Godrej company. So designation and address of the receiver is number 3. Is it okay for all? Number 4
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
mandatory salutation. 4th is salutation. 5 is your subject. 6 is this body of the letter. What is number 6?
Body of the
Body of the letter.
Now listen about the body of the letter. This you can write on the right side. Body of the letter, this side heading you will write here, but details you can write this side. It generally involves 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you will give the purpose of writing the letter, why you're writing the letter. Number 2, all the problems in detail. And number 3, conclusion with suggestions. So we generally have 3 paragraphs in the body. And the last one is your complimentary closing. 3 paragraphs over here. Then complimentary closing. Complimentary closing, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, whatever you want to write. And then the sender's name and signatures. Let me have a quick revision. Number 1 is
Sender's
number 2,
date.
Date.
number 3.
receiver's address.
Very good. Number 4.
Mandatory.
Mandatory salutation.
You just write salutation. No need to write mandatory. Number 5.
Subject.
Subject.
Number 6. Number 6. This
Body
heading.
of the
Body of the letter. Number 7.
Complimentary.
complimentary
And number 8.
Sender's
Name and signature.
Now I'm giving you 2 minutes in your notebooks. Please do this. Don't write this. Abhi, don't write this body of the matter. Everybody will make this letter. And why have I drawn this box? To tell you that we need to always draw a box around the letter. You will lose marks if you will not make a box. So you have marks for this also. So whenever you're writing the layout of a formal letter, layout, the heading would be layout of writing a formal letter. You will make a box and then all these numbers. Total, how many numbers we had? Number 1, 2.
Eight.
Okay. Please write quickly and post on the groups. The format or the layout of a formal letter. Yes, dear, want to say something? Say.
Ma'am, the last time we wrote a letter, so you said that the subject will be after, before the salutation.
Peter, here I was just telling you this. Both the ways are correct. Both the ways are correct. I would always suggest, again, I'm saying that after salutation only, the subject is written. Sometimes in some books, you will find that the subject is written first, the salutation is written later. Okay. So you can do anything. Now you can decide either you have the salutation first and then the subject, or subject first and then the salutation.
Okay, ma'am.
You take up, should we take up the subject first? That is
Yes,
better. I'm again saying that is always better, children. Though both of them are correct and accepted, but it's always better to first have the subject and then the salutation. I would again suggest that make a change. Make the subject and then the salutation. I hope you people know what is salutation now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the box, post in the group, raise your hands quickly. Peter, don't take this lightly. Once the format is done nicely, you get marks for format only. Do it nicely. Post on the group, raise your hand.
Ma'am, sender's signature is not important, is it?
See, it's not very important or mandatory. If you want, you can write your signatures. If you don't want, you can simply write your name, Beta. It's almost the same.
Okay, ma'am.
This is that section 10th B.
We should write the give one line space after each sender's address and date.
Hmm?
We should write leave one space after each like sender's address, then space
Put
and
in address
date.
and date and then date and address. Yes, that's always better. Better, this is B section now.
Yes,
Ma'am, for the 10th, like 3 section combined.
Ma'am, 10C section also.
How say? Only B is there, no?
Ma'am, B and C both.
Ma'am, arrangement period for 10C.
Arrangement in 10C.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, better.
Ma'am, after salutation, do we need to leave a line before the body?
No, no, not needed. पहले लिंक डालो अपना अपनी ये क्लास लेट हो जाएगी.
Ma'am,
Tensi, what class you had just now?
Ma'am, English literature.
Ma'am, English literature, Surbi ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Hurry up, raise your hands those who finished.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do we need to write sender designation?
Speak loudly, beta.
Ma'am, do we need to write sender's designation also?
Yes. Sender's designation? No. That is not needed. Only receiver's designation.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, do we have to also send our letter?
What, beta?
Ma'am, do we need also send our letter?
The format. This is the format. Just the format
Format.
and what points I gave you on the group. Hurry up, children. Quite a good number have already posted. What are the others doing? Hurry up, please. Hurry up. Now, those who have posted, I'm going through what you posted. You people,
Ma'am,
beta,
just a
hurry
minute.
up. Hurry up. I'm giving you 2 minutes more. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, children. Hurry up so that we can proceed. Done, children? Should I move forward or you want me to
Yes,
wait?
ma'am.
Anyone wants me to wait or should I
Done.
move forward? Done?
Yes.
Hurry up.
Yes,
There were so many
ma'am.
students who have not raised hands
Ma'am,
and they're not even saying that, ma'am, please wait. I don't know what they are doing. Just 13 students. 15 now. Only 15 students. What about Nikhil, Puneet, Srishti? Done or not yet? 21 now. Better.
Ma'am, done.
Abhay? Okay,
one
Daksh is also done. Dhruv is done. Very good. Akshita is done. Vishesh is done. Yes, Apurva is also Mohit. Abhay, Anshima, Mehak. Only 4-5 students left. We are waiting for you. Please hurry up. Abhinav Pandey, good morning. Finished? Invisible Man, Abhinav Pandey. Letter to the editor. See this. You're Ritika Singh, you're concerned about the increasing pollution in your city. So we're going to write a letter to the editor, The Times of India. This is the word limit regarding the environmental pollution. These are the clues which are given to you. We are not reading the clues. We'll start from here. This is the sender's address. Whose address is this?
Sanders.
Sender's address.
Only 2 lines you should use when you're writing sender's address. Don't write pura house number so and so, gully number so, mohalla so. No, nothing. Just 2 lines. House number, a comma, name of the colony, and then the name of the city. Okay, this is how you will write your address. Okay, Naina Sharma, how will you write your address?
Ma'am, I will write 19 Amber Super City, Bareilly.
Okay. Gargi,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you write your address?
Ma'am, 79 Golden Green Park, Bareilly.
Fine. Khushbu, yes, Khushbu, how will you write your address?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you write your address?
Marinath Police Chowki near Nagpur Road.
Oh, no, I said only one line now. So Marinath Police Chowki, Bareilly. City has to come. This
Okay,
date is wrong. Date written is wrong. What is the correct way of writing this?
First
It
the
should be
month, then the date, and then the year.
either you can do this or you can put a TH over here. 15th May, comma, 20XX. There are two
What
ways
is
of
the right,
writing things.
ma'am? What is the reason of this 20XX?
What, beta?
What is the reason of writing it as 20XX?
We don't write the year. We don't disclose anything actually in board exams. It is always advised not to disclose anything. Never write your own school name. Never write your own name. Never write the year in which the letter is written. It is expected of a student to be very confidential when you're writing your board exams. So we will not write that this year is 2020 or this is 2021. So this year we will simply write as 20XX. What do we write it as?
20XX.
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 So when you're writing the date, you should have written TH over here. And don't write TH in the sky. Some people write 15 to the power TH as if we are doing maths, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. No, TH has to be written on the line only. 15th May, a comma should come after the month, which is missing over here. Charlie, tell me there are two things which are wrong in this date. After 15, what should be written?
TH.
Yes.
And will we write 15 to the power TH or will write TH on the line only?
Ma'am,
I'm on the line.
Most of you write 15 and then as an exponent in mathematics, you write TH. And then what is missing? What else is wrong in this date? What should be there over
A
here?
comma after the month.
Comma after the
A comma after the
Very
month.
Yes. Now we are coming to the designation and address of
Excuse
the
me,
person.
ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, you said that we avoid putting commas for dates.
No, we have to put a comma not at the end of the date. Comma here after the month has to come. This is mandatory. Put a comma after the month, beta. Earlier we had an old format where we used to put a comma after date, then comma after editor, then comma after Times of India. So all that has gone now. So we just have one comma here after house number and one comma after the month. The editor, the Times of India, and the name of the city. Remember, the is always used with editor, and with the names of newspapers, the is always used. So whichever newspaper you are writing, always use what? The. And editor also always write the editor. So this the is very compulsory, otherwise you will lose marks. The
Excuse me,
editor,
ma'am.
the Times of India. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, like the name of the, like there is a newspaper which name is The Hindustan. So if we write that, then we have to write like Dada Hindustan.
No, you don't have to write that. They already have added the, so you no need to do it. Only for those where we do not have the, you need to add the. We will not have 2 times the. Now salutation is done, dear sir. Subject C. How nice. Such a small subject it is. Short and crisp. What is the subject? Pollution, a major concern. What is the subject?
pollution a major concern.
A major concern.
Okay. Do you have any Rachit Kumar in your class? In class
Yes, ma'am.
10th?
No,
Rachit is
ma'am.
in 10th?
No, ma'am.
No. No Rachit in 10th.
Ma'am, in 10th C.
10th C Rachit is there.
No, ma'am.
Arey, I'm asking
No,
in 10th B or C, do we have any Rachit?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
we
have
were
shared
telling
my
about
link.
10th C.
I have shared my link in class 11th, I think class 11 student. And why are they trying to join just now when we have a break of 15 minutes in the middle? Should we admit him and talk to him? It would be fun.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
There are 3 paragraphs, like I told you. First paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. Read the first paragraph very quickly.
through the columns of your esteemed daily, I would
Hmm.
like to express my opinion with reference to a report claiming Delhi to be the most polluted city in the world. 30th January 20X page number 6.
Okay. So what do you mean by esteemed daily?
Recorded or
Like respected daily newspaper.
Yes, very good. Daily is a newspaper and esteemed, very respectful, or it's a valued kind of a newspaper. Okay, fine. Now, all of you, I'm giving you 2 minutes silent reading of the second paragraph.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
They have described the issue in the concluding paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
They have what?
Ma'am, they have described the issue in conclusion paragraph.
Yes, you should have put more details in the second paragraph. Good that you people have understood these things now.
yes, ma'am, because concluding paragraph should be quite short and precise, but it
Yes,
is
very good, good. So this should be the second paragraph. Third paragraph, last one, you can plan on your own. That I'm very sure that through this article or through this letter, the common man and the authorities will cooperate and solve this problem. Something like this can be put. You can always plan your own conclusions. Very good. Anyways, whatever is written, read out one. Any one of you read out loudly.
It is a major concern that the pollution level of the capital city has increased by such a huge margin. This is an alarming concern which needs to be addressed immediately. Otherwise, it's, ma'am, how do we pronounce this word?
Would someone help her?
Repercussions.
Repercussions.
Repercussions. What do you mean by this? Repercussions. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this?
And consequences.
Consequences.
Yes, yes, very good.
Consequences.
Too good. Yes. Continue,
And
Bicha.
the environment will cause irreparable damage. It would also show the country in a bad light since Delhi, being the capital, is the hub of tourism. The ever increasing population has propelled people to move to four-wheelers, which in turn has increased the population even more. Industries and deforestation add to this problem many folds. It is an irony that the most intelligent being on the planet is causing the most destruction. It is not only the responsibility of the government but also of the people to take necessary steps to reduce pollution. Carpool, scooter pool, cab sharing, etc. are the new steps that can help curb population to some extent. Likewise, using public transport, cycling, or walking to cover short distances are some of the good habits that all of us need to inculcate in our daily lives. After all, it's our environment and we need to take a good care of it. Yours sincerely, Ritika Singh.
Very good. Very good. Now, one more child to read out the same thing. You have to just take points, beta. Planning has to be your own. Planning, formatting has to be your own. Come on, one more child, read. Yes, read, beta. Nobody else knows how to read.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, please read.
It is a major concern that the pollution level of our capital city has increased by such a huge margin. This is an alarming concern which needs to be addressed immediately, otherwise its repercussions on the environment will cause irreparable damage. It would also show the country in a bad light, since Delhi, being the capital, is the hub of tourism. The ever increasing population has propelled people to move to four-wheelers, which in turn has increased the pollution even more. Industries and deforestation add to this problem manifolds. It is an irony that the most intelligent being on the planet is causing the most destruction. It is not only the responsibility of the government but also of the people to take necessary steps to reduce pollution. Carpool, scooter pool, cab sharing, etc. are the new steps that can help curb pollution to some extent. Likewise, using public transport, cycling, or walking to cover short distances are some of the good habits that all of us need to inculcate in our daily lives. After all, it's our environment and we need to take good care of it.
So basically, the person who's writing the letter is showing concern over what, beta?
And the pollution.
Yes, it is basically the person is concerned about pollution. Who's writing the letter?
Ritika Singh.
Ritika
Any
Singh.
any designation? Do we know about this person? Who is she? No, just a normal one. So this is letter to editor. Let's start number one. When you write your sender's address, what two things you need to take care of?
The
Hmm.
address should be of 2 lines only.
So it should be
Yes, 2 lines only. The first line should have your address and the second line should have
city.
Name of the
It's a name.
name of the city. Okay. While writing dates, what has to be taken care of?
Ma'am,
It
TH.
has to be first TH or
After the month.
Hmm. So
Also, that
the-
is yes.
the date should be in the format TDMM by.
very good. Now tell me one thing. The comma has to be put after where? Where will you put a comma in the date?
After month.
After the month.
Very good. Good. Okay. Now we move down after date. What is the third thing?
Ma'am, the receiver's address.
receiver's address.
Receiver's address.
Good. So receiver's designation and address. Now next one.
Subject.
Subject.
Very good. Subject should be
Short and to the point.
Short and crisp.
Short and to the point.
very good. It should be
I
short and to the. It should not be very long. You don't have to write sentences. Okay, sentences will not be written over here. This is what you want to be. You need to be very, very careful about. And then we'll start writing the letter. How many paragraphs should we write?
3.
Three.
paragraphs.
And 3 paragraphs.
In the first paragraph, you will only tell what?
The introduction.
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 The purpose of writing the letter, and start by praising the newspaper through your esteemed daily, through your reputed daily. I mean, something appreciating so that your letter is printed or published. Appreciate the newspaper through your esteemed news daily or through your reputed daily. I want to attract or I want to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards whatever you want to say. Okay, tell me now, supposing the cases of chain snatching are increasing in your society. What is increasing?
Pardon, ma'am.
Snatching.
Chain snatching.
Yes, chain
And
snatching.
snatching.
So what will be your first paragraph? Plan your first paragraph and speak out. Tell me.
Come to newspaper.
Yes, we are writing a letter to the editor. Very nicely. Plan orally and tell me what will you plan as your first paragraph?
I'm done.
Okay, then Anjay, what have you written or what have you planned? Speak out.
Ma'am, in our city, the chain snatching is sharply increasing. Government sharply increasing. The robbers spreading terrors, terrors, terrorism, and the government has to take any action about them.
Peter, that last part now, the government should take action. That should come in the last paragraph when you give conclusions.
Okay.
In the first paragraph, just the reason why you're writing the letter, rest was all okay. But that government thing that we are requesting will come later. Okay, who will speak now?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Peter.
I, XYZ, resident of ABC Colony, through the columns of your esteemed daily, would like to express my opinion on the increasing chain snatching cases in our locality.
I think this is perfect. The word limit is perfect. Everything is fine. She has just given, first she has appreciated the newspaper and then she's given the reason why it was written.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me the, very good. Tell me the second paragraph. What all problems will be there? What all problems are there? Difficulty that you people are facing? Second paragraph. Yes, start discussing. You can give your own points. Speak better.
People can't come out of their houses without any fear.
Very good, very good. Come on,
It
one
is
by
a
one.
kind of insecurity.
Yes, good.
I mean,
Come on, children.
last,
Single points.
They can get hurt also during the chain snatching.
ma'am,
Yes,
last
many
year,
times.